Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. In this channel we gonna talk about contemporary home designs and ideas. Today, we'll talk about teen girls' bedroom ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. There is nothing more precious than a little girl's room. From the pretty accents to the shiny colors, walking into a little girl's room truly is sweet, especially when decorated with care. Nothing ties a girl's room together more than a bedroom set with matching headboard, dresser and even a bedside table. There are so many different options out there when in the market for girls' bedroom sets. Whether her taste steers more towards the modern side, or Victorian, or she fancies wrought iron to wood, you are sure to find a set that complements her style as well as your own. Perhaps your little girl is a bit too young to make any decorative decisions, and you are concerned about picking something out that she may outgrow too quickly. The easiest solution for this problem when choosing girls' sets is to pick out something simple, and just add the extra flair with accent pieces and accessories. Just simply add a few overstuffed fluffy pillows and a pretty duvet. These pieces can be replaced or added to for very little money out of pocket, and can change the complete look of a room. A nice girl's set can be a wonderful investment. This is furniture that she can grow into and use until her teen years, and perhaps she can even take it with her to college. She may even hand the bedroom set down to her own daughter and make your purchase a wonderful family heirloom. If you have little girl, then sooner or later you're going to be looking for ideas for decorating a girl's bedroom, because every little girl wants her room to be a special place that she loves to be in. Here's some tips that might help you out. Theme bedrooms. One thing you might consider is going with a decorating theme. This is usually a character or certain type of thing your little girl likes. It could be something like Dora the Explorer, Hello Kitty, or even a more general theme like ballerinas, or animals. Luckily, you can get girls' bedding sets with these themes on them which will help pull the room together. What you want to do if this is the direction you're going in, is find a bedding set that you really like, and then paint the room one of the colors from the set. Now, you don't want to use the predominant color because it'll be too much, but pick one of the accent colors, and use that on the walls. Look for accessories that match the scheme, or the colors in the bedding to round out the room. Color-focused bedrooms. Another thing you might want to consider is opting for a particular color scheme that you can personalize for most any theme with accent pieces. This is a great idea if you don't want to redecorate the room every year, because you can just switch out the bedding and accent pieces and give it a totally different look. If you are going to go with color, make sure that you choose a palette that your daughter will like well into her teens. You could paint all 4 walls the same color, or add a little interest by painting one wall a different color or even adding wallpaper. If you do go with wallpaper though, you want to be sure you don't add anything too specific that will box you into a certain theme. Make sure that the rug is not the exact same color as the walls, as this will be too monochromatic. Usually a darker colored rug is a good way to go, especially in a kid's room. Budget bedrooms. If you are like most parents, you're probably on a budget, which is why this is one of the most popular ideas for decorating a girl's bedroom. Of course, like anything that saves money, this method involves some legwork and elbow grease. First, you'll want to choose a color scheme for the room. Getting furniture and artwork for the walls can be expensive, But if you shop at secondhand stores, you can get some really great stuff for pennies on the dollar. You'll probably want to paint the furniture to match the color palette in the room. And this way you can get mismatched pieces but make them seem like they match, because they will all be the same color. Tie them together, and add interest by replacing the knobs and handles with colorful interesting knobs. Buy a nice bedding set to soften the room, and give it added appeal. The bedding set might set you back a bit, but the money that you are saving on the furniture and accessories will more than offset that. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a teen girl's bedroom for your home. Thank you.